What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today we're going to take a look at how to get into a Toyota Tacoma if the key fob dies or if the battery in the Tacoma dies. I'm going to be demonstrating this on a 2022 Tacoma, but it will be the same on a few different years. And this is only going to apply to the Toyota Tacomas that have a push button start ignition. So in either one of those scenarios, a dead key fob or a dead battery in the Tacoma and the vehicle's locked, in either one of those scenarios, what we need to do is get the emergency key out of our key fob. That's done by pressing this button on the side, and then the emergency key will slide out like that. Now we're going to use the emergency key to unlock the driver's door. So put the key in there and we'll turn it to the right or clockwise. Then after you unlock it, it's a good idea to put that emergency key right back in your fob, just so you don't lose it. Open it, and now you can pop the hood to charge or change the car battery. If your key fob's dead and you need to know how to start your vehicle with a dead key fob, we've covered that in another video, and I'll put a link to that video in the description box of this video. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.